Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily find the user manual for your MARSHALL KILBURN III. At first we need to open our favorite web browser and then we will have to go into the search bar. Here we have to search now for the MARSHALL KILBURN III. MARSHALL Kilburn III, and to that we have to append the user manual. As you can see, here you have some not official websites, but if you see it here, I'd rather go to the official websites, but if you don't see it on the official website, go to this first one. As you can see, here we do have our user manual. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.